UK steel and gold GMT. One of a trilogy of TUDOR GMTs in the cola. This is the root beer variant, diet or light, and of course there's the pearlescent white available out of the three. So I'm here enjoying a fabulous Earl Grey with some cannoli of a lemon variety in the stateroom of number 2 Squadron Special Air Service of 1945. So once again I've re-entered my horological wormhole, getting to the piece of the watch. There's a standard affair in the 3 watches of the 14.6mm thickness with the 50 north to south, lug to lug. Obviously the 40 to 41mm across, depending on what calipers you're using. I daren't go at it with the metal or plastic variety that I've got, because this is a scratch magnet, whether you've got sellotape on the thing or not. It's been around for about 2 to 3 years now. In the wrapped yellow gold, on the links, there's 2 solid links of gold on the ends here by the strap pins. There's gold around the bezel and a gold crown, some of it capped, some of it solid. This is a fabulous alternative to the elder brother sibling, of which is got to be at least triple the price now, no matter how you obtain to purchase it. These are available new at around 5,300 UK, 6,000 plus US, or on the grey market in the UK they go at as low as 3,000 UK, $3,500 US. It's quite stuffy in here at this time of year. There's big parties going on. There's a lovely Christmas tree over in the distance. I don't know whether my cameraman can get the shot in for you. This fabulous stateroom of between 4 to 5 stars at this particular venue as a hotel. I'll leave a link in the description of the location for anybody that wants to have a fabulous stay here 24/7 365. Getting back to the watch, it's a complete, fully functional 3-time GMT using the hour, minute and second marker, the gold GMT hand, and obviously the 2-tone rotating bezel in the root beer colour and the black north hour mounts. Main critique about this watch, part of the MT series, is the thickness. Most of the thickness is housed in the rear case back, and this actually sinks into your wrist. So this is not actually part of the depth of the watch in real terms. What you're actually paying for with the thickness, for those that see it as a point of issue, is the case thickness and the tiny amount of thickness in the bezel and the domed glass. So 1 millimetre each for those, and this is well under 12, I would say. For me, on my wrist, it looks very thin, obviously comparing it to the chronograph that I'm wearing alongside her today. Well, there she is in all her glamour and glory. I hope you've enjoyed this small ditty of a show. This is a very private gentleman and my time machine. May your hopes and wishes go with you. Thank you for watching and do take care.